Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here today to share with you a Shabby Chic doily book kit I have for sale. This is cross-posted on Facebook as well, so it's going to be first come, first serve. And I just wanted to share with you on YouTube here, so you can see what all you get in the kit. And there's a lot here, so let's start with this first. Of course, you get these beautiful doilies to make your base. There is 6 of these. So enough to make a doily book. And these are the doilies I sell in my shop. And you don't really need a piece of felt or anything in between because the doilies are nice and thick. So if you back them onto each other, they're pretty solid. And there's a nice loop here to gather your doily book together on the side. So you can use any of these loops here. So you get 6 of those. You will receive an image. This one is with this one. All the images are going to be different. So it could be any one of these that you get. So the image is random, but they're all beautiful. And they're all slightly different sizes. But you may want to cut this one down a little bit. Oh, it's not too bad. That fits pretty good. You could cut the top and the bottom a little bit if you wanted to. I love this image. It's one of my favorites. So you get that. You will get one of my handmade flowers that I made on a live the other day with Amy Love. So that's what this is. So you're going to get this one with this particular kit. There's a yard of this gorgeous vintage eyelet. It's absolutely beautiful. So there's a yard of that. You will get a couple of these beautiful appliques here, flower appliques, and yet there's a lot of lace here. So let me show you the laces. There's this piece. There is 2 of these beautiful white lace flower daisies. There is some vintage crochet trim. There's this dangle lace, really pretty. There's 3 of these. There's this beautiful vintage lace. And you can see I've kept it neutral so you can add colors, whatever you want from your own stash. These are some flowers you can cut out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different flowers you can cut out. They're really pretty flowers. There's those. There's this beautiful cotton lace. A gorgeous dangle trim. And then this beautiful piece of Venice lace. And this lace I like to cut. You can cut it here along the bottom. So you have this lace, or you can even cut it here and get this. Then you have these. And I've used these for hearts. So then you have that, and then there's little flowers in between you could use. There's a little flower there, there's flowers there, another flower there. So like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different rows on here that you could use to cut up. Or you could just use it whole, or you could do whatever you like. So there's a lot there to work with. So that's the laces. And then you will receive this gorgeous piece of bling. Let me just get it here so you can see it. It's so beautiful and sparkly. Absolutely gorgeous piece of bling. And then you get a bag full of goodies. So there's loopy flowers in navy, light blue, and mint. And I thought they went with the photos really nicely. So you can see they go really well with the images. So they do go nicely with the images, you know, and then the mint green, which would go with probably this one. So, but you can mix and match or use or not use, that's totally up to you. So you get 6 loopy flowers. You get 6 ivory ribbon roses. There's 6 of those. You get a nice bling. Now the bling may be slightly different in each one, but you get a gold bling. And this is a brooch, so you can take the back off or you can keep the back on. There's 4 of these, gold and pearl bling pieces, and then there's 3 of the rhinestone cameo pieces. So that's the kit. It is $28. And of course you get all of the goodies that you see here. Lots of lace. There's lots here to make a doily book with. And flower, all the doilies, all the goodies, all the bling. So yeah, there's lots here to work with. And it's $28 plus shipping. Contact me if you are interested. I only have 6 available, and like I said, it is cross-posted on Facebook. So let me know, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Hope you all have a great weekend. Bye!